Hello, friend. Hello, Rumbi. Hi, guys. Okay, now it's time to do a project. We're learning about seed, and then today we're gonna do a project using this seed. This is a bean, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. For our project, you need a seed, two cotton balls, one plastic bag, and I have here water. You see water. Okay, the first step, you have to open your Ziploc bag, and then you're gonna put your cotton inside, and you're gonna put the two seeds inside too. Okay, you have inside cotton balls and two seeds, and you're gonna put water. Okay, not too much water. Okay, this is enough water. What a plant need to grow? They need water and they need sun. Okay, I'm gonna put in my window. I'm gonna put in my window, and then I'm gonna let over there those days, and then you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, we're gonna check every 2 days. Today Wednesday, and then on Friday we're gonna check, and then on Monday, Wednesday, on Friday we're gonna check how my beans is growing. Okay, if you have at home, you can try. If not, you can see how my plant is growing. Okay, bye guys, see you next time.